Greetings, Mark Weithorn here, your real estate trainer with your 2-minute tech tip. Today, we're going to discuss the tricks behind sales and leads. Sales come down to personal relationships. It's one person talking to another. It's making friends for life. According to statistics, 75% of all sales come from referrals. Oh, just call Ann. She is my realtor. She knows everything. She'll take care of you. The best form of flattery is a referral. But word of mouth is slow. It could take years to build. Here are some tricks. First, ask for referrals. Don't be shy. Follow up with clients after the sale. Make sure they are happy, and then remind them to send you referrals. Next, put together a reminder list to stay in touch with old clients. You know the old saying, out of sight, out of mind. Make sure you call people on their birthday or anniversary. Don't text, call. Remind them that you are still in business. Friend people on social media, and then post on a regular basis. Finally, follow up on new leads. The first rule is to call a new lead within 15 minutes of receiving the lead. You know that they are at their computer. You wait an hour or two, and they could be busy. And follow up on leads on a regular basis. Just one-click phone call is not enough. Well, that's it for this 2-minute tech tip. My name is Mark Weithorn with Showcase Websites. We have been creating websites for realtors for close to 20 years now. These websites have the IDX, a built-in client management system, and new and existing developments with floor plans. We also automatically blog for you and automatically post these blog articles on your social media pages. And we also send out a weekly email e-newsletter to all your clients. You can visit us at dpishowcase.com, and please remember to subscribe and like my YouTube channel to get updated videos. Thank you for listening to my 2-minute tech tip, and have a great day.